In this video, we will prepare a drink that will help you detoxify your lungs, thanks to the healing properties of its elements. Welcome to our page, and tell me what you do when you have cough, phlegm, or respiratory problems. To prepare the drink, we will bring half a liter of water to a boil. Before it boils, we add a quarter of a purple onion cut into pieces. The essence releases spontaneously a mucolytic and bronchodilating effect, very convenient for the lungs. This sulfurous essence disinflates the mucous membranes of the airways and improves lung function. Now we add a tablespoon of saffron and reduce the fire to a least. Turmeric helps us to cleanse our lungs, thanks to curcumin. Because of its corticosteroids and polyphenols, curcumin helps reduce inflammation in the lungs, prevents respiratory obstruction, and prevents respiratory infections. The polyphenols protect the cells from aging. We will also add ginger. The properties of ginger to care for the health of the respiratory system are well known on a popular level, and it is used in many ways, as it contains antibacterial, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory properties. This spicy, strong flavor is what makes the lungs react, helping them to expel accumulated mucus. Let it boil for 5 minutes, after which time, turn off the heat and mix in 3 tablespoons of honey. Honey, due to its components such as peptides, flavonoids, and enzymes, serves not only as a sweetener, but is also a protective agent that, when mixed with other elements, can enhance both taste and its health-giving properties. Bee honey serves as a natural substitute for sugar, and we use bee honey because it relieves sore throats, even in small doses, due to its antibacterial properties. It can also help fight some infections of this kind. In the same way, honey is recognized as a natural cough remedy. It is not recommended to apply it to children under 1 year of age. This is a drink with honey, ginger, turmeric, and onion. It is a healthy alternative with expectorant, purifying, antibacterial, and anti-cancer properties. It also strengthens the immune system and prevents common illnesses such as colds and flu. You can start taking it when you notice that your lungs are attacked by phlegm or when you have difficulty breathing. You can take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day, first on an empty stomach, and then before each meal. I hope you enjoy this video. See you soon. God bless you.